Hello students, today let's begin the class from 7th standard first chapter Nutrition in Plants. In this lesson you are going to study about what is nutrition, what are nutrients, how these plants produce their own food, the process which is called photosynthesis, and what are all the nutrients are present in the plant, how it prepares its food. So for that, let us learn first nutrition. Nutrition, it is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Nutrition is the mode of taking food. What we take the food by an organisms. Organisms is here all the living things and its utilization. The food we take, how it utilizes by our body. So nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Then next let's learn about nutrients. The components of food that provide nourishment to the body. Here nutrients are the components. What are the food components we take for the growth of our body? It provides the nourishment to the body. For example, carbohydrates, minerals, proteins, water, vitamins, etc. These are all the nutrients which is necessary for the growth of our body. All the organisms take food and utilize it to get energy for the growth and maintenance of our body. All the living things need food to get the energy for the growth and maintenance of our body. You all know that. Green plants synthesizes their food themselves by the process of photosynthesis. You are already in the previous classes you have learnt what is photosynthesis. So green plants synthesizes their own food themselves by the process of photosynthesis. They are autotrophs. Autotrophs means they prepare their own food. Then let us know what is photosynthesis. Green plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water taken from the environment in presence of sunlight called chlorophyll, which is found in the green plants. Chlorophyll is found in the green plants for the manufacture of food. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it is the process by the plants which prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Plants use simple chemical substances like carbon dioxide, water and mineral for the synthesis of food. There is a chemical substance of like carbon dioxide, water and minerals for the synthesis of food. Chlorophyll and sunlight are essential requirements for photosynthesis. For the photosynthesis process, chlorophyll, which is present in the green plants, and sunlight is essential requirements. Complex chemical substances such as carbohydrates are the products of photosynthesis. The complex chemical substance such as carbohydrates are the products. It are the products of the photosynthesis. Solar energy is stored in the form of food in the leaves with the help of chlorophyll. Solar energy is stored in the form of food. In the leaves with the help of chlorophyll. Oxygen is produced during the photosynthesis. Of course, we all know that in the process of photosynthesis, to prepare their own food, it needs carbon dioxide and oxygen is produced. In that process, oxygen is produced during the photosynthesis. Oxygen released in photosynthesis is utilized by the living organisms for their survival. We breathe with the oxygen which is released in the photosynthesis is used by living organism for their survival. Fungi derive nutrition from the dead decaying matter. They are saprotrophs. Here saprotrophs are mushrooms and bacteria. They get their nutrition from the dead and decaying matter. They obtain their nutrients, the necessary nutrients they obtain from the dead matter. Plants like Cascuta are parasites. They take food from the host plant. Cascuta doesn't have chlorophyll. All the plants, green plants have their chlorophyll, but Cascuta doesn't have the chlorophyll. It absorbs food materials from the host. Parasites are the plant that derives some of its nutrients requirement from the another plant. It won't prepare its own food. These plants derive some or all of its nutrient requirement from the another living plant. So you could see here cascuta plants, it look like this, and fungi, it's like this.